Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use InVideo text to video feature. First of all, open your browser, then type in your browser InVideo, hit enter, go to the website. Now once you're at the website, you will have to sign up. Now for signing up, you will be at the home page. Now once you're here, click on this AI text to video. Now in this window here, you will have a lot of templates, pre-made templates to choose from. I'm going to go for this one, the interesting historical facts one. Just click on that template. Choose the aspect ratio. I'm going to leave it the landscape and click on use template. Now the next step is to just put in your script here. Well, I'm going to use ChatGPT to give me a script. Let me go to ChatGPT. Say paragraph on, let's say, technology. So after this, I'm just going to copy this text right here. Go back to InVideo and just paste it right here. After that, you will have to click on create scenes and click on yes here and click on create scenes again. So after some time, your scenes will be created. So this is the first scene right here. This is the second one right here. And this is the third one, and so on and so forth. Now you can customize each and every scene of this video. Now on the left side here, you will have the uploads window where you can upload your own media and use it in your videos. Now in the videos window here, you will have all the stock footage. You can also search for some and just click on this plus button here and it will be added to your video. For example, let's say I'm just going to add this one right here and it will be added here. Now you can place it wherever you want. It doesn't look good, so I'm just going to delete it from here. Now in the music tab right here, you can use different types of music provided by InVideo. For example, angry music, serious music, playful, inspiring, and so on and so forth. Now in this text window here, you can add different types of text. For example, I want heading text, so I'm just going to click on this add button right here and it will be added right here. Now you can edit this out. I'm just going to delete it. You can also select some types of typography and customize your text completely. Now in this logo window right here, you will have to upload your logo and you can place it wherever you want to. Now in the elements window, you can also add different types of stuff. For example, stickers, shapes, overlays, and other stuff as well. Now in the editor here, you can fully customize that scene. For example, let's say I don't like this picture of a kid here. So I'm just going to click on this delete button right here and it will be deleted. And I'm going to add, let's say, this tractor photo here. So I'm just going to click on add as a layer. So you will have to adjust it. I'm just going to adjust it a bit. So it has been added as well. Now you can also change the text as well. Just click on it and click on edit from here. Now you can also change the text. You can change the font from here. You can also change the font size. You can make it italic, you can make it bold, you can make it underlined. You can also change the text color. You can also change the position of the text. You can adjust the spacing of the text and you can also align the text. Now you can also add some different text effects. For example, text shadow, text background fill, and different stuff as well. Now you can also add animations to the text. For example, how it appears on the video. For example, in this video, it fades from the downward side. And you can do the same for each and every scene of the video. You can control the background music by just clicking on this added background music button right here. You can change the volume, you can add effects, you can use duck volume, you can also use band control. Now if you want to add a voiceover to your video, just click on this add voiceover button. Now in here you will have four options. You can either create your voiceover, you can also import one, you can upload one as well, and you can even record your voiceover as well. Now if you want to add further scenes to your video, you can do so by just clicking on this add scene button. You can also change the duration of each scene. For example, I'm just gonna reduce it a bit. I'm just gonna leave it at 6 seconds, let's say. Now after you're done customizing your video, click on this export button to export, but the bad thing is you will have to upgrade to export. So that's pretty much it. And that's how you can use text to video feature in InVideo. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.